In this video, we will be programming output control on the iGrow 1800 controller. Now to get to outputs control, from the home screen, hit Enter menu, and then you will hit System Setup, and then scroll down till you get to Outputs Control, hit Enter menu. Now in Outputs Control, the first option is the rain hold time. The rain hold time is the parameter that lets you choose how long you want the rain override condition to persist after the rain goes from yes to no. This option is to keep intermittent rain from causing the vents from opening and closing constantly. Next, we have command delay. Now the command delay is the time between commands to change the equipment's states. It is the shortest time permitted for switching equipments. Typical update times are from 1 to 2 minutes. The parameter is used to minimize the cycling of equipment. Now with highlighted fields, to change numerical values, you would simply hit plus or minus. To maneuver in this screen, Previous and Next allows you to maneuver within the screen. Hit Next to get to Irrigation Mode. Now Irrigation Mode can be sequential, or by hitting plus, it could be concurrent. Now this option applies if you program more than one irrigation valve to trigger based on accumulated light, a dry contact switch closer, or if you select the cycling misting option. Now if you select concurrent, then the valves will turn on immediately when requested, regardless of how many are already on. If you select sequential, then the first one will turn on, but if other valves are to come on, they will wait in queue and each one will come on in succession. Hit Next. We have irrigation delay in minutes and seconds. Now irrigation delay is the delay you set before the next valve in queue turns on. In other words, when the current valve goes off, the next valve in queue will wait the selected minute and seconds before it turns on. Next. And here we have start delay. Now start delay, this is the time duration upon a power startup before the first equipment can turn on. This is important when you have multiple controllers, and in the event of a power outage, each controller should be set with a different start delay. And finally, we have advanced trigger, which you could set as either disabled or enabled. Now the advanced trigger is utilized if you're using peristaltic pumps or fill valves, which will allow for up to 3 different start-stop triggers. Now once you have set your programming values, if you were to hit back 3 times, this will save your changes. Now from the Link4 view, with the zone open, if you were to hit the Configuration tab, and then on the list on the left, choose Output Settings. And from Link4, here's where you would change your programming values. Simply by just highlighting the field and changing the numbers, or simply hitting the up or down arrows. Once done, click Update to save your changes. And that's our video on programming outputs control on the iGrow 1800 controller.